And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Let's kick off with football. Michael Ricketts remains the favorite to return as JFF boss, even as former President Tony James seeks to uproot him. James announced his intention on Monday to challenge the incumbent. Tony James's decision to contest the JFF elections has come as a surprise to many, but none more so than the incumbent JFF President Michael Ricketts, who described James as a friend. According to Ricketts, it's a decision that came out of left field.
I never thought of it. I didn't see it coming at all. But I just heard yesterday that he was trying to get himself to be nominated, which, of course, is the first order of business.
But Ricketts agrees with James that the present system, which only allows 13 votes, should be amended.
We have been having discussions with the CONCACAF legal team to help us in this regard. So they will be coming here before year end. And obviously, the JFF thinks that, and I personally think that, in terms of numbers, there are some entities that we really need to bring on board. And I think that maybe ISA, maybe some of the clubs, maybe the PLCA, maybe referees. These groups, I would think, ought to have a say.
For James to even go to the polls, he must be nominated by at least 4 of the 13 parish associations, 7 of which have already sent in their nominations.
I don't want to name the parishes, but I can tell you it's only 5 parishes that are out there, and 2 are committed to be in by today, and we have until the 1st for all parishes to have their nominations in. But I can tell you, indication is showing that the nominations for a second person will be almost impossible.
But it's also possible that a parish can withdraw its nomination if needs be.
We have until the 1st. If one nomination came in and they're not satisfied, they want a change of heart, it can be done within that time. But I've not received any indication that anyone wants to do that.
There could be at least one change to the JFF executive, as Vice President for Finance, Gary Sinclair, will not be seeking re-election.
Mr. Sinclair has decided, because of his circumstances, not to seek re-election. It's a pity, though, because it is somebody that we look up to. Mr. Sinclair has done a lot of good service to the JFF, and we will be missing him.
Vice Presidents Raymond Anderson and Bruce Gaynor will again seek re-election, while TVJ Sports understands that St. Catherine FA President Peter Reid could throw his hat into the ring. Nominations close on August 1.